Check 1, 2. Who's there? Who's here? What do we got out there? NVDA. Probably got some Tesla bros out there, some GME bros. What's going on out there? Hold on, I don't know where the camera's going. What's going on? Hammered? Hammered? Let's go in the Discord and find out if everybody's awake. Maybe we can get Mr. Yen on or Og. Everyone who's awake. All right. What's up? Your Tesla alerts? The usual degens? Hold on, I gotta bring some shit over. All right, so a few things that are fucked up. I don't know what happened. Like when I left, internet went crazy. It took me like an hour to fix my camera. I'm gonna make this big. I want to see you guys. All right, so what's up, everybody? Good to see you all. Camera's fucked up. I had I don't know if I didn't reset shit on like Friday, like Monday morning. I had a bunch of alerts on my phone being like, "You're being attacked." Like shit, you not. I'll show it to you. And then I left on Monday. I couldn't run the stream away from Detroit, and so it was fucked up. I was gonna have my older daughter do it, and I'm like, we can't turn this shit on. It's all fucked up. Like it wouldn't. Even Monday's stream was kind of fucked up. Number one. By the way, I fucking love you all. I fucking love you, whether you're making money or losing money. I don't give a flying fuck. I fucking love you all. If you're a Nazi, I love you. I'll actually sit with you and talk to you. I love you. Like, honest to God, I fucking love you all. Always have an open dialogue. When I left on a fucking Monday, it got crazy. Like, it got super fucking crazy. My internet was being attacked or some craziness. And then I asked my older daughter, I'm like, can you like turn the stream on and off and stuff like that? My wife was getting a bunch of alerts. And what's really fucked up too is I just go to my Twitter. I was like, yeah, something like that. 5 or 614, 612. Self fucking Friday open. Go to my Twitter. Sell Friday open. Where's the market right now? It's where we left off, isn't it? Nothing's happened. And I need fucking the goat. I need the goat on here. I got his phone number. I used to have it. And then another fucking phone number. I'm going to call him to get him on the fucking show. Yeah, I went to Chicago. I went to fucking Chicago. Some of our community went there. We're real people, not bots. We're real fucking in-soul fucking people. I'm an apple. I'm not a pear. I'm an apple. Oh shit! It might happen. It might. We know that though. This shit gets crazy. I stopped the show as we were making new highs on February 14th, Valentine's Day at 10:30 in the morning. This isn't shit that I delete. At February 14th at 10:30 in the morning, we were all sucking each other off. We're so bull, bro. And I stopped the show. I literally, as we were making our money, I took the camera off of the fucking green bars going up and said, nobody wants to put a hedge on right now. They want a FOMO. John L. is like a fucking G. David AMS, a fucking G. When we're at bottoms, it's only them. When we're at tops, it's only them. You don't need, I'm not lying to you. On Valentine's Day at 10:30 in the morning, 1 hour into the show, stopped it and said, put a fucking hedge in this market. I literally walked you through July and September cheap hedges. That's what I did. It's on YouTube. You can go back. Just go back. 10:30 in the morning, February 14th. And then my pinned post right now on Twitter is me saying sell Friday open. Did you sell Friday open? And now I take a scheduled 3 days off to be with you. And I'm back here late night on a Wednesday. Where the fuck are the 3 trades I made? I bought CAT. I bought LMT. I bought LMT with call spreads. I bought CAT with selling poots to fucking bears that expire this Friday. Those bears are dead. I posted on Twitter, said this is the fucking bottom for Twitter. Or for Twitter. For Tesla. But I won't fucking buy it because of the volatility. And where's Tesla gone? Down. Where is LMT and CAT gone? Up. Where are my call spreads? I don't fucking know. I swear to God, I thought fucking NVDA would do it. They beat and CNBC did the bullshit tonight. Well, they met expectations. Crock of shit. Now, where's the market going? We already know, don't we? We already know that the weakness starts week 2 of February. It doesn't end until late April. But there's a secret squirrel here, isn't there? I'm going to send you on a mission right now to do your own homework. If you look at February 27th until the first week of March, in every instance, the market fucking rips. Every single one. Last year, year before, right back to Trump 1.0. It rips faces off. It ripped faces off in 2022. For at least like a week or so. It starts like tomorrow. And it rips and rips and rips and rips and rips. It slaps, pimp slaps in the face. Even if it's going down, it slaps you the fuck out. Only thing you have to do is have market awareness this week, next week. Does it squeeze and sputter? Just squeeze, keep squeezing and taper first. Nobody cares. Everybody knows that mid-April single tickers bottom. Everybody knows that SPY and Qs slam one more time down. And everybody knows that we get the low and we get the run in bear markets and bull markets, in COVID crashes. In 2000, 2008, doesn't matter. Every single fucking time. Maybe this time is different. Good to see you all, by the way. Well, SMCI, I fucking called that top, didn't I? Told you could trade that shit all the way down. What up? What up, Henry? They always give you it out, don't they, Hack the Planet? By the way, I was so fucking scared to meet people in real life. We got to do this shit better next time. I hung out with Og. I hung out with fucking Stacy. I hung out with fucking, I hung out with 80, Joe Donut. Hung out with fucking Time Clock. Dude, it was scary as fuck. It's like some places, I know you. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll get out of here. I don't know anybody, but I'm like, that guy's weird. He's going to fucking shoot me. Some fucking guy named AR might come out with a handgun and kill me. What's up, David? What's up, figure it out, money? Everybody's here, huh? Good to see you all. Jesus Christ, the whole fucking market's here. Front rows here, visionaries here, Shonsky. Dude, Shonsky, what up, Poke? Good to, dude, I would travel and figure it out, money. Good to see you guys. We got to talk about quickly something really quick. Quickly, we got to talk about something. So we already... all right, let me make it really quick. All right, really quick. We got to like talk about this super serial. What up, Henry? Oh, feed pics. I think I paid for a few memberships this year. What up, Addy in the house? All right, I gotta show you guys quick fucking thing. Calm down. I gotta show you guys something. Oh, let's go to the main screen. Hold on. No, that's the wrong one. Trigger full screen. So we did this on Monday, right? I was like, yeah, we're gonna go up there on Monday, and then I haven't been here. Pissing everybody off. We got NVIDIA. Let's look at some stuff really quick. We know that the last 2 weeks of February are weak. We know that the bottom is usually in April. Larry Williams will tell you this. Anybody's going to tell you this. Everybody. They don't know what we do in March. March is the real question. If you don't believe me, I'll show it to you. Let's look at it really quick. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's look at, this is February, right? February. Oh, look at that. Ooh, nasty. Down, 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 right? January 25th, right? Down, 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 down. What was this? Third? Down. Okay, it's February, right? Oh, wait a minute. February 5th. 6th. Let's look at this really quick. Oh, there we go. Down, right? Down. Let's look at this really quick, though. This is, it's Feb. Oh, wait. We got to go to the day chart. We're going to make it look really cool here for you because it gets really fucking weird. You got to look at this with me because it's kind of fucking crazy. So this is Doom, right? Woohoo, baby. Selling OPEX, right? Let's look at February of 24 together. We're going to look at a few late Februarys together. Figuring Out Money understands this. If you don't know what Figure Out Money is, right? This guy knows probability and statistics. That matters. So hold on, here we go. It's 24. Let's go to 23. It's December 23. Let's go over here. July 23. Oh, here we go. Oh, what do we have here? Look at that. This is 2023. 23rd, 27th, 28th. Whoop. March, 3rd of March. Push. Failure. No high. Send it down. We get the low in mid-March. We get it early. We get the low for the seasonal weakness in 2023. We get it early. There it is right there. Boop. Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop. Bye-bye. Out of here. I need it right now. 2 key points. Rips. Beginning of March. Low, mid-March. Now, remember, SPY Qs make their lows later than individual issues, right? If I were to look at this with Qs, I bet it bottomed right back here. If I were to look at individual stocks, they bottomed earlier. Symbols, right? Issues, stuff like that. This is last year, right? Let's look at another year. Let's look at another year. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe I'm lying here. This is the bad times. You want the good times? What are we at? 23? February, right there. February 23. What's this? March? What? What's that right there? Up. Fail. How about 2022? You want 2022? Let's look at that one. What's that right there? March or February 24th? Rip faces off again. By March 14th, up again. So even in a bear market, you had what? Even in a fucking bear market, what did you have? Push up. Let's look at Trump 1.0. Let's look at 2016. Was it 2016? When was he a president? 2017, 2006. What was it? 2016, 2017. Let's look at this one. What's this one? 2017. Oh, here we go. Jan push up. Wow, we didn't do that, did we? Feb 27th. March 23rd. We aren't trading that, are we? I don't see that. I don't see this big push up. I do see the consolidation. I see the push up consolidation for an OPEX and then a move higher. So Februaries are important, right? We can look at every February and look at that. Oh, what's this one right here? February. February 1st. But we blasted. Oh, is that what you're looking for? That's not the norm, is it? And even if you were to do the norm, what would it be? We do the 4 hour on that one? We're at 200. Where the fuck are we at? We gotta go way back over there. COVID. We gotta look at COVID cap. We're going back to 2020. I can't. I gotta like tell you guys. I gotta be honest with you. So we said sell Friday. We said OPEX is on Friday. And we said sell it. Matter of fact, we did a video on the 14th. Right there. Right there. We said right here in this high. This was, so we did all this. And then we did one more. And I said, just put a hedge on. Then I said, you can do it July, June, do it September. Start cheap. Put a nice hedge on. That happens. I said sell Friday, right? I think that's Friday. I said sell Friday open, to be honest. That's Friday open. I said come back on Monday to buy. But my thing is always time or price. Friday we did 6 sessions. I'm like, holy fuck, that should have taken Friday and then Monday, or whatever Monday is. Monday's here. 6 sessions should have taken one day, but we did more. We did more sessions. I figured Friday would be enough because of the sessions. 6. Let's count the sessions. Right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 right here. This was the low. Whoop. And we hit that price again, didn't we? Right there. And they sold. They sold this right down. And then today, what do we do? Whoop, back up again and sold again. So this like 6 sessions means a lot, doesn't it? Well, when I say 6 sessions, because if you go back in history and look at seasonality, 6 sessions is about it. And then you get like a week of up. Usually it goes really quick. Usually, statistically, it goes up right away. If it doesn't go up right away, it's bad. And even if it's bad, when I was in Chicago, I was like, hey, we still don't know. And they go, why? And I was like, everybody does spread. Well, you got, hold on, we're going to turn some of this off. I'm like, you got this. You got these assholes up here. I fucking hate these guys. That's John L. That's every fucking asshole and prick. I make money selling options, bro. When we go up here, I like sell calls. I buy some puts. Put my FI on, bro. And then down here, I'm selling fucking puts, bro. And I'm buying calls. And I'm just running the whole entire thing, bro. Repeat. Oh, and by the way, if it goes the wrong way, I just get assigned. It's even though it's lower, I make a little bit of, or it's cheaper than I would have paid if I bought them here. If I bought the actual underlying here, it's still cheaper because I made the money in the front end of selling it. You might not know what I'm talking about, but a lot of the people that are watching the stream do. So you've got market participants up here. You got market participants down there. Markets participants. There's probably a fucking Theta gang member here. It's like, I'm sweating right now, but I swear in like a day or two, it's going to go back up for at least a few days so I can get rid of that and get rid of this. But we still haven't broken trend, have we? And this is where Theta Gang gets fucked. This is where this is where if we actually do roll over, it does, they get quiet, right? If the trend changes. But trend hasn't changed. It hasn't. And we know that seasonally, it's going to change. We know that the flows come into the market in mid-March to late April. And we also know that year in, year out, that the next week, regardless of the doom they're telling you, the market still squeezes. We could be here next week, or 10 days from now, 10 sessions from now, and be up here, and you'd be like, oh, I don't even remember the doom we were talking about, bro. I was just blowing you up on Twitter. We could be down here, and you'd be like, oh, I told you, bro. It was going down. It doesn't matter, does it? We all know that we're either getting the low in early March or we're getting the low in early April or late April, mid-April. Maybe it's more over there. We all know that the flows stop. We all know that the squeeze goes higher. It'll take you out of your puts, even my hedge. We all know that we have to ride in the hedge this early down move or the late one. We get paid early or we get paid late. Doesn't matter. And we all know that the fucking flows come in whether it's the top or not. My cat looks good. My LMT looks good. Let's look at LMT really quick. Bizarre. Let's look at it for a minute. Let me show you something cool. I show you Bloomberg terminal posts. We're going to run this trade right now, right? Boop. We're going to run that trade down, right? We're going to run Trump winning. We're going to run for 2 weeks, Kamala winning. Now we're going to go back to running Trump winning, right? We're going to run Ukraine doing a truce trade and sell into them, right? All right, let's see this. This breaks below the monthly trigger, right? LMT. What happens? Up, 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 up. What's this one right here? This is super doom, isn't it? 2020. Up. Up. Remember, it's below the blue line. Up above the blue line, right? This is the first one it broke below and didn't regain. Signaled a pretty bad time, right? 2008. Another one. Right there. That's pretty bad, isn't it? What about this one right here? Broke below, came back up. One more fucking face ripper, didn't it? Or the roll down. So LMT is probably telling us something, isn't it? Very rare. 98. Broke below the blue. Almost hit the purple. I bought this fucker. Right there. I was told don't buy this. Bought it right there. Every time it's under there, you got to get that sexy, you know? And we got these things coming down. Oh, we're either doing 2008, aren't we? Whoop. Or we're doing 1998. LMT actually goes down in 1998. The market goes boom. Let me show you the disparity right now. Odd. Do you see that up there? Spoos ain't doing shit. Big divergence. There's only been 3 examples of the divergence. Let me just show you the divergence here. Hot stocks, maybe? Can I do hot stocks? Hot stocks works? All right, fuck it. We'll just get rid of hot stocks. Hold on. I was looking at ASN S for a friend, but let's delete a bunch of shit. Trash. LMT. All right, Lockheed Martin, bro. It's like Doge and stuff, and like they're gonna like do all this stuff. Let me show it to you. The day. Things different, Cap. Here's Spoos. Where's the divergence? Spoos, divergence, LMT. Last time I seen divergences. A lot of time we saw divergence. 2008, same. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, Cat wore that right there. Oh, big old divergence. Very rare. We got that right there in 1998, July. We got the big push down here in August. We get that right there. LMT ran down, didn't it? Ran down, jump up, down. Meanwhile, you got Spoos doing this right there. Grind. So, if you don't like my LMT trade, not this time, Cap. We're doing the Doge thing. The only other example of that continuing on would be right there. There ain't no other divergence if you want to see it. There ain't none. It goes way down. 2008, same thing. Way down. There's only 3 other examples. One is 98, where the market ripped higher. Anytime there's a divergence between LMT and the stock market, LMT should either fucking rip face. For every normal time, it should rip faces off with the market. If it was that one time, this time is different, Cap. We have 2 examples, 2000, 2008, or 98, which I think we are 98. And I want to talk to you more about this. Let's get rid of the. Hold on. Shit. So let's go back to fuck hots. Oh no, I know we don't like triggers right there. So they're telling us no. This is the Friday low. Told you to get out Monday. Go up. I told you to go up too, and it did. And it's hit it like bing, area of interest. Bing, area of interest. No. Bing, area of interest. No. Telling you it's lower. Show me in the chat. Tell me where the next 5 days the market goes down regularly. There isn't one. Well, there isn't. There might be one, but there isn't like 10 out of 10 or. Normally the next like few days they like pound, and we got end of month. And do you guys understand the logic of this? You get like the known down move. You get everybody buying calls, knowing we're going higher. Everybody's in the same fucking trade. Dealers only have to keep us down into a window into Friday to go higher to print your shitty calls from the lows because they're what? Worthless. And then if you are even more doomish, they have to squeeze you out, don't they? Make your puts cheaper before we go down there. And then if there's a trap, that's where you get the bear trap, right? Up into mid-March. Now, I don't know if we do that or not. I don't care if we do it. I don't care if, like, the low is in mid-March. I don't care. Like, shouldn't say, like, what's his name from fucking GS, but I want it all right now. I don't know if he gets it now or later. I really don't care. I just know that the flows come in like mid-March, early April, or mid-April. Either mid-April or mid-March or mid-April. You're either going to get your low now or later. I don't give a flying fuck. But there isn't a time in the stock market, in a bull or bear market, where you can't trade the seasonal low. It's one of the great things about being a bull. It's always up and to the right. You can even see new lows, but if you're buying the late winter, early spring low, and you're buying the summer low after the doldrums, mid-July, August, September, to print the holiday rally or ERs in January, February, all the big banks and all the big institutions still put that money in the market regardless. So we're looking for the low. I don't care if it's now. I don't care if it's mid-March. I don't care if it's late April. I don't care if you win the downside move. The only thing I care about is that we already know. We actually did the fucking video right fucking here to hedge for this eventuality. So I don't know what to say to you. Is that the high? I don't care. We could do this for fucking a whole year. We could go down for a whole year. I would still buy the seasonal low in fucking March, April. Then I would still buy the fucking seasonal low in July and then September, October. Every year. Then I would laugh and yell at you every year. Well, I did it. I said it here. And then I was talking to Trader Podcast on the 20th, and I was talking to a couple other guys. I was talking to Senior Strategy, and I was like, "Nah, we got a little bit of time, and regardless, we got OpEx. We know we get the OpEx trade that's down. Normally, it would be up already, but everybody fucking knows, so we're all buying calls, right? And it's not going to go up. They're going to hold you to Friday, and then they're going to hold you into the first of the month. This is not a sign of bearishness. It's a sign of people trading the moves. So I guess retailers are smart money. If you see the low in like the 15th or 17th of March, I guess Rubner walks away and like pumps himself off. But you don't get the April low. This is a flat correction. You guys know that, right? Like, look at that. This is not a sharp correction. We're flat correcting. You need more progress to the downside. I think Tom Lee said that shit to you like a day or two ago. You need more progress to the downside quicker. We were talking about trying to hit this. Have you hit 500? It's your doom window. What are they going to do? Squeeze you for a week? We got it, Cap. It just took a week. Is that what? Really? New flows came in, Cap. I apologize. It's going to take longer for us to get there. Like, what are you doing? Oh my God, Cap, it's 2020 fucking 4. We went up. Why did you call it? And then, of course, April 1st. No one cares. Mid-March, mid-April. Just give me the buy. No one cares. What up, Abner? How you doing? It's real, dude. It's real live. You goddamn right, Larry Williams is the GOAT. All right, so what are we doing tomorrow? We had NVDA. I loved CNBC. I was on the flight, like turned off my internet, did the airplane mode. They're like, oh God, they're like, NVDA, terrible. Like they met expectations. I'm like, they beat them. No, it's terrible. Like I could just imagine someone wanting to get some new lows. So it's what time is it? 1:15 in the morning. Oh. Do you guys want to do ES or SPY? I love you, VI Princess. Do you guys want to do ES or do SPY? Want to do expectations? What are you going to do? You want to do like tomorrow? By the way, this week is exactly where Friday was, the low. So what do you guys want? I know SPX shows something different, but you want to do SPY? All right, we'll do SPY. We can do ES. Spoos. All right. We'll do spoos. Can't believe I'm doing this right now. Spoos. What's the plan for spoo? I just got back. I apologize. You got to understand, like, dude, I did a stream on Monday and I had a downside targeted hit. My internet is fucked at my house. It really is fucked. My camera was fucked. People working for me were like, I don't know what's going on. I've been like I didn't reset something, and then like the Chinese and Russian bots are trying to fucking fuck with me or something. So I'm like back to my house, and I got my internet, right? I got the internet where I like go through my route. It's a fiber router, but like ATT wants to see all their shit. So I gotta make them think that I'm not streaming fucking 80 hours a day, and then they're like, "Oh, we're surprised we caught you," and I was like, "Ah, shit." They like send me alerts and shit. They're like, You're lying. I'm like, nah, I'm not lying. I am lying. I'm like, yeah, I'm doing like fiber shit. I'm like, yeah, I'm streaming 8 hours a day. I'm like taking all your bandwidth on a fiber connection. They're like, we caught you. I'm like, yeah, I know. But for like 5 minutes, I was on vacation. Oh, God. Let's take a look. Let's see all this. We got, what do we got? Should I do some gamma with you too? Let's do some gamma. Let's start with gamma. You guys like where everybody is, right? I don't really care where we go. I care more about where everybody is. Traditional traders. Oh, gamma bros. I had friends show me some gamma shit today. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, oh, bro, it's like, bro, like blow this. And I'm like, yeah, I share it every day. Like, no, bro. It's like, I'm like, dude, why are you complicating this? My best friends that are gamma bros are like, yeah, they threw a condor in the market. They fucked it all up. And I'm like, why is it so complicated? Let me show you a quick chart. Super quick chart. This one. Yeah, there we go. This is the one that I gave you last week. SPX gamma. You guys spend $1,000 a month, I found out, for gamma. I don't know what the fuck you're doing with that, but okay. All right. Like buying and selling, right? Dealers, right? Bunch of buying calls, and then you stop buying calls, and the dealers hedge you. Right, then you start buying calls again. The dealers go, fuck you, we're going down here before we put that shit up there. Right, kind of stuff. I'm gonna hit you right here at local support. They got the put wall down here. They got the whole thing going on down there, and you're talking about what? You're talking about breaking trend, aren't you? How do you break trend? You got to have a fund or a bank or a Rubner that wants to get underneath new month flows in what? End of month. They got to get it down here. Or else your CTAs, if you get it down here, your CTAs and your COTs, committed traders, your certified fucking trend followers and whatever, they become sellers. They're kind of sellers right now, but they're not amplifying the sell unless you get real money selling between now and beginning of the month. And the window for that ends as we come into the beginning of the month. Rubner ain't doing shit. 401k is coming in by the 1st, is he? He can do shit over here, but he either has to get it done before we get to the beginning of the month or not. And we're also in this, like, what? If you pay $1,000 fucking dollars for it, what is it? You're local support, aren't you? Right down there. You only got a small window. And even if you do get the small window, let's say you get the small window. Let's say you get priced down in here in the seasonal flow, or it's seasonal, but the monthly flows come in and you start to turn these into serious real money sellers. What happens? The dealers actually go against you. So if we're going up, right, you're going to get a small squeeze up, then down, then up. If you watch that right there, if you actually trigger that, you're going to get the squeeze up, then the down move. It's the opposite. Does that make sense? So down, then up, then down. I don't know if you understand that concept, but I'm sure you pay a lot of money for it. We're going to go to trigger screen. And this is where we're going to show you right here. We're going to go to fair value. Fair value, not bad, right? 560. Woo. Fair value is even lower. 530. Probably have to get there at some point, won't we? Either now or in April. Get that one right now, too, can't we? Or April. Put a month there. Put another month there, right? Look at that green. The volume is green on the month. The volume today was huge. The volume on Friday was huge, too. Today and Friday. You didn't know. There's probably going to be a bunch of buy in the next few days. I would bet there is. I'm going to bet you that between now and March 3rd, there's a bunch of buying. It's systematic. It's every fucking year. And I don't know where we're going early or late. I don't really care. I care about this, though. That weekly and that monthly is still sitting there, isn't it? Keep showing you that, don't I? I'm like, it's there, it's there, it's there, it's there. Let's go to a daily. Have we lost trend? Have we lost trend? Have we lost trend? Have we lost trend? Look at that blue line right there. Have we lost trend? Have we lost trend? There's October of 2023. Did we lose trend there? Nope. Oh, wait a minute. Right down there, we slammed down into it, slammed down under as 2022. Oof. We haven't lost the uptrend, have we? Has the daily trigger crossed the yellow line right there? Is that crossed? Has the yellow line crossed the purple or the orange line? Nope. What happens when the orange line crosses or the yellow line crosses the orange line? See it, right? This is the last bear market we had. Yellow line crosses. Still given an opportunity to get out, right? Shocker. Price goes down. Oh, what is that right there? You fucks get a chance to get out. Took a months, right? March. Chance to get out. Doom. It's doom, Cappy. It's doom. Total doom. We go down there. Oh, back up again into whatever the end of the year is, right? But is the yellow crossed the orange? Nope, hasn't. If it does cross, what happens? Gives you another chance to get out. You fucks gave me a chance to get out of the market before it goes down. All right. We got the monthly, we got the weekly, we got the daily. The gap hasn't been closed yet. You guys want more doom? A big old gap here. This doesn't close. Winky wants to see it get closed. Touchy feely. You got more doom down here. It's terrible. It's all kinds like, oh God, Cap. They said that the Fed's predictive recession indicator, the Fed's preferred recession indicator. We gotta look at that for a minute here too. 4 hour. Oh, we got doom right here. There's the doom. Jesus Christ, terrible. Right there. Got our doom right there. There, big doom. Oh, we got the 1 hour up here. See what that thing's saying. Well, we got doom right there too. We're not going to write in for them. We're just going to put them right there. Bunch of doom. We got a gap that needs filled down there. And we got a low. A higher low. And we got doom. We got some seasonal strength coming in, don't we? Right there. And that's coming down there. That's 602. Right there. And maybe. Fucker right there. Right there. Low. Higher low. We do want to watch this right here, like 596 in a Friday, like Thursday, Friday. But the one thing I want to show you is where's Friday? Right there. I want to show you this. 6 sessions, buy calls. Dealers, fuck you. Come back up again. Come back up again on Friday. That was Friday, right? So this Friday here. $1,600. I'll leave you this until Monday or even Wednesday. They print that somehow. They print all your calls after they're dead. You have a window to print that between Friday close and Wednesday. And then what's crazy is you're going to get the new flows. That's the 28th. You're going to get the new flows that are going to rip you higher. And you have to watch out for, do they like stem the flow or do they trap you as a bear up here? Or do the flows like there's something else going on here where like bears want to get you between now and Friday lower than 6,000. So you need to be, they want to like stem you in here so they can turn CTAs and COTs into sellers when we come into the flows for the beginning of the month. And you can get that. Like you can get that like mid March low right now, not later. But you have to watch the price action between like, and not just price action, but real money selling would be another way to describe it. Where like Rubner just says, "Fuck you, we're gonna sell everything." We already know it's gonna happen, but if it doesn't happen, if it doesn't happen between like now and the flows coming into the first, they can definitely trap people in. So, my prediction is that from here into at least like the 3rd of March, we go higher. And I know that you want to close this. Like a Barrow's like, well, I just want to close the gap, bro, and then we can go higher. That's a lie. They want to do real money selling to get us into here to like start the April low for the mid-March low. Now, if they get it, they get it. You can't predict this. Nobody can predict this. You can't. You just have to watch for it. I think I posted on Twitter, I said, it's very important for you to like be aware of the market the next week. As we do the OPEX thing, you want to watch the interplay of the market, particularly into the new month flows, and even so, if you start squeezing and you start getting like really fucking bearish in here, they're still going to try to squeeze you. Dealers will do that to counter trade you the moment that you get panicky. You're like buying calls or buying puts. They're going to counter trade you. They have to. So there's a move here somewhere. I don't know if it ends here. It doesn't go straight down. But the other scary thing if you're a seller is if they squeeze you high enough into the beginning of the month, they can trap you and then take you up into April 1st. We just don't know yet. It doesn't happen though. Like it doesn't happen that easy though. It doesn't happen that easy. I'd like tell you this. It'll fail. Then we'll do the mid-March thing. But if it starts like you're like it's right here, right? You can see it. It's right there. You can see it. They're gonna attempt it. If they start getting broken, you're gonna go long and counter that trade, and then they do that, and then boom, they're out. We're up into April. So this is a very important moment right here. Is my point. Mechanically, it's a very important moment to the market. Regardless of what you're listening to with recession, like flashing. If you want, I'll show you that. Larry Williams actually explains for you to actually see when a real recession is possible. But for right now, like next 5 days, all this stuff that happened back here is the same trade. Like, this is all the same trade. Like nothing's changed. I said this on Friday, and I showed the down move on Monday, but I was like, they're always up here. Even on Friday in the show, the Friday we went down, I was like, they're up higher. They're all, and even these guys, these are fake sellers. I don't know if you know that, but So the real seller is right here. We sold back here. We squeezed up, went down, right? Coming over here, this is the same seller. These are the same guys, same assholes. Not these assholes. These are the what do you call these guys? These are the Chamath sellers. These are the low rent sellers over here. Real sellers are up here. And they're likely waiting for like the 3rd of March at latest. I think Tom Lee said something about that. Like, I guess weakness now, but maybe you'll get the little low, but it doesn't really matter. Real sellers here, here, here. And if they get blown out, we wait until the 1st, which would be, of course, where they're on the opposite side up above. It doesn't really matter where we go. The only thing you need to know is this. Mid-March, mid-April, late week of April. And here's where it gets more fucked up. I want to show you something more fucked up. So regardless of what this is right here, right? We're still in a bull market. You're still talking about arguing about this or this or that. You're still arguing about this. Up. That's all we're arguing about. You might be saying, well, you're wrong, Cap. We're not arguing about that. We already know this is coming. We already know if we get down there, it doesn't matter. What we really care about is does this follow and cross? If this continues to stay sideways while price is going down, it's just stretching. They still lose. They have to. They literally have to. Blood down. And even when they do get the big move down, they're elephants. This isn't like they literally, even in COVID, it went boop. It was in COVID, it was like one day. It wasn't one day, it was like 3 or 4 days, but they literally still exit. I can't believe how many times you tell me that a dealer should lose, or JPM, or Wells Fargo, or GS should go broke. It's not what happens. They get every time, all the time in the world to exit. And even then, it comes back in a year or two. So I don't know why you're afraid. Bring it on. Price in tariffs on April 1st. Price in tariffs on March 1st. Trump's like, I don't really care. I'm like, all right, sweet, do it. We're all waiting up here. Go to the video from February, what was it, 14th? Valentine's Day. 10:30 in the morning. Cheap hedges. I think it was right there. Cheap hedges. 30 cents to print. 500% between now and September 17th. Give me your lows. Give me all your pain. Tell me about your fucking doom. Tell me about recessions. Tell me this is the top of the market again. I don't care. I just know that flows are coming in. Mid-March. Or late April. I just want to buy. I want to buy. That's it. That's it. Okay, so expectations tomorrow into the third right there. There you go. And the bottom, higher, low, up. I don't care. I don't care if we go down. We're going up. It's free. Good to see you all, by the way. I placed 3 trades, didn't I? Placed trade for Friday. I got 2 other trades. Sold fucking puts on Cat. Thank you for the free fucking money, AR-15, little AR-15. And I bought LMT is a trade that I didn't have any money, so I like bought long calls for 2 years from now. Tell me the market's over. I'll cut the fucking call spreads and I'll cut Cat. Otherwise, send me all your fucking doom from now until April. Send me all of it. Tell me how horrible the world is. I welcome it. No bull I know doesn't welcome it. See y'all tomorrow. And I want to say one last thing to y'all. Hold on here. I didn't know you in person. I'm meeting you in person. I'm really grateful for that. We're going to do more. I don't know why the fuck you all spend so much fucking money out there with some insanity, but it's free. We'll get together. We'll go hiking and biking and shit. We will literally ride a raft down a mountain together. Guarantee it. I love you all. And I appreciate your patience for the time that it took to travel. And I thought I was going to give you more, and I didn't while I was gone, and that's my fault. Nothing's really changed, though. Market's literally where it was when I left it on Friday. We all know that we're getting a seasonal low. It's only time that matters. It could be now, it could be late April, I don't know. But be there to buy in mid-March or mid-April. You can go back and watch that video. Everyone was happy. We're all stoked. We're making money. We rode the whole fucking thing up together as a group. And as we hit those highs, I was like the party pooper. Actually, in the video said I'm going to make this video again later and highlight that time of the video. And I hate saying that now, but you know, we ride this together. We ride it if it goes down now or if it goes down in April. I don't know. We're just looking for that low to buy. If that was the top, we'll ride that together as a group. Always. That's what matters the most. So I would say outside of that, I think we're gonna have trying to have on the GOAT again. I'd like to have him on. I was talking to John H about it and trying to get his phone number back again to call him, and maybe switch. I was meeting with members this weekend, and they were asking me or saying, "Can you do this? Do more of this or more of that or whatever?" I'll try to, because it does matter. Like, basic things matter, and I need to make recorded. I have some recorded videos that we have on the website, but I need to record them. Anyways. I really appreciate if you're watching this show and you met me. I really appreciate your insight in translating where I come from and where you are, and simplify things. Like, you have to simplify trading. I really need you to know that, because in my profession and my schooling, I was best as I could be. I went to an Ivy League school, basically, and I overcomplicated my entire life with trading, and simplifying it does mean something to simplify trading. It really does. I went down fucking rabbit hole after rabbit hole thinking I'm going to beat this thing, but you can't. You can't beat it. That's when you dumb it down, it gets easier to make money. And seasonality isn't something that is timing. It doesn't matter about timing. It matters more. Like I'm more with Larry Williams than with like Bremer or with like DeMarc or anything. I'm more with not price, but waves, and not LA wave particularly, cycles and waves in terms of flows that come in and out of the market, and price doesn't matter. So I'll leave you with that. That I really don't care about price. I always care about. I care about like mechanics and stuff and markets, and that matters. That matters, and cycles matter. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back in the office. See you at 9:30. You fucking dirty fucks. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30. I was trying to get on, but I had like an hour and a half trying to get the office. When I said my shit was fucked up, it really was. Like I got to do a ton of shit to actually do this moment. See you tomorrow morning, 9:30. And by the way, thank you to fucking every motherfucker in our Discord that kept that shit going the last 2 days. You guys fucking rule. We're a community. That's what we are. It ain't me. I'm not your fucking furu. Never gonna be your furu. I'll never promise you to be a furu. You're not. We were talking about like putting on like the pink t-shirt, a pink polo or something, or I don't know. Like I could turn this shit on in a minute and be like, oh, we're gonna go over there and talk to them about whatever the biggest ticker today is. NVDA today, Palantir tomorrow, GME on Wednesday. Can't do it, man. Enough of shit ain't happening. I guess I could, but I ain't gonna do it. We're gonna hang out every day. We're gonna hang out when it's good, when it's bad. Make a good call, make a bad call, not here. It's a lonely life. I spend time with fellow traders, and they're in a routine like I am. We sit in an office, sit in our bedroom, sit in our porch, sit in the backyard, sit in our car, whatever the fuck it is, and that shit means a lot to me. Like I'm not alone. There's real people out there just like me. Highs, lows, anger, emotions, angry, mad. I blow up my accounts. I can't tell you how many times I've blown up six-figure accounts. I've blown them up. Not recently, but I have. I've learned a lot of lessons from doing that. So, and at the same time, this weekend, it's like whatever you guys want, done. Been there, done that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30. We're gonna make another get up or meet up or something, and we'll do something cool, like river raft or something down a mountain or something better. So I just want you to know that if I met you this weekend, I appreciate meeting you in real life and shit in person. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. Have yourselves a good night. We're going up next. Dude, these fucking bears are fucked. To the third. Be scared if you're a bear. It's not on your. Well, I should say this. Let me say it statistically. For the next 5 sessions, if the market goes down significantly, you want a trade that is rare. Congratulations. If you're to take that trade 10 times, you would lose. So if you like delete your tweets or I don't know, this one time you win, I really don't give a flying fuck. I've spent time in this market long enough to know that you would not take that trade. You just wait for it to come back up again. Statistics and probabilities are a big thing in this market. And it's okay to be wrong the 3 times. It's not about being right the 1 time. It's about being right the 7 out of 10 times. And you're going to be wrong. If I look at the next 5 sessions, you're wrong. I would say that every year. And I'd be right 7 out of 10 years.